Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to be showing you some tips and tricks and the difference between an individual lash and strip lashes. I always make sure that I coat my clients' lashes first with a layer of mascara. From the left hand we are going to be using a strip lash. Today I've gone in with some Modelrock lashes and just measuring them up so I know how much to cut off the end. Just going in with some glue now. I always put my glue on my lash packet and then dip my lashes into it instead of putting my lashes straight onto the glue. So I just get my client to look down but not quite close. I then place the lashes right up against the lash line and just wiggling them down so they're nice and close as I possibly can to the client's natural lash line. And then for our individual lashes, I'm starting with a size 10 lash as my client has, let's say, a medium size length lash. So they're not super long, but they're also not super short either. So I'm just following the natural line of her lashes. So from the furthest outer point to about halfway through, and then I'm swapping to a size 8 lash. These are slightly shorter, just to help me create that cat eye look. I do get my client to look at me just to see whether I need to put another lash right in the inner corner. Decided I needed to bring that a little bit further across. Now, see the difference between the two sides? I've decided that my individual lash comes down just a little bit far on the outer corner. So I'm just going to take one of those off the edge there. And that will help create a little bit more of a lifted eye for this particular client. I'm just putting a size 12. Right on top of the last lash there, not extending it out further, just to help create that little bit of a lift. And just going in with a little bit of mascara, I like to smush this up against my fingernail, and that'll help combine the natural lashes into the false lashes. It helps them feel a little bit more comfortable for the client as well. Just going in with a little bit of eyeliner just to cover the lash line, because on the strip lash sometimes you get a little bit of a shine. Just blending that out a little bit. And that's the final look. What do you guys prefer, a strip lash or individuals?